looking in first thing in the morning, and then Tux is always looking in when I'm getting ready to go out with the food. You guys go, and I'll grab the bowl. That way there's no tripping, no fast-moving kitties. Good morning, Tux. Good morning, bud. Hi. Oh, there's no chicken this morning. Hang on, Morris. Let Tux get to his food. But there is the canned stuff that the other guys will realize is in there. The shreds. So, best eat quick. You coming too, Mark? Mark goes, I want whatever the best is, and I want all of it. Oh, it's another sticky hot day out here with a chance of thunderstorms. 50% this afternoon. We really, 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 really need some rain. What you got, bud? It smells like orange all the way over here this morning. That sticky, humid air holds that pretty perfume smell from the osmanthus really well. I'm about ready to call another yard day. We'll go pull silkgrass and stuff. I'm just trying to wait till a day where we won't get carried off by mosquitoes or, it's just been miserable. We've had to cut back, scale back, wait these past few weeks, the hottest part of the summer. I'm always putting the old cat water bowl water into water plants and then going and refilling it. Not always the same plants each day, but I did water those yellow flowers last night. I'll water them again this morning. I probably should pull the hose out. Yeah, it's really probably what I should do. I think if I pull the hose out, then it'll definitely rain this afternoon. It would be a good strategy before I get all bit up and dirt. My hands all wet and dirty. And go pull my print off the printer. I've got Slinky style ghosts on the printer this morning. I finished last night. They look good. So each layer is supposed to, do what a Slinky does. If they ended up printing solid, I don't think I care. But I don't know. Let me pull them off and find out. Yeah, these are not going to slink apart. They do have little tiny slits, which is probably super hard to see with this camera, but must be a printer setting that I don't understand. I think I'll ask so I understand for next time. I'm happy with them. I think they're way cool. Be a nice shuffle game. Ghost shuffle game. I could print them in some different sizes or whatever, but anyway, I'm happy with them, but they're not doing the slinky thing. There's just no way. They're way too solid. Well, I think I've watered things enough so nothing will get damaged today. The things we planted in the ground out there by the gnome home, the ginkgo tree, rhododendron, red blood maple, and Chinese fringe plant. There's one other one out there too. They're hard to water because they're in the ground. The water tends to just run off and not water the plant, and I tried not to let the ground get like cement, but it's hard. So we could really use some rain. I think I said that already, and it's true. And yes, that's Marty down there doing Marty things. I got pretty bit up again, and it's just frustrating out there right now. I'm seeing stuff that needs to be tended to, and I just can't. Between the heat and the mosquitoes, it's always like this in August. I just can't stand to be out there long enough to handle it, mostly weed pulling. Good morning, Gray. Hi. Hi, sweetie pea. Here's your chicken. You got the last of it. But don't fret. Mom's going to go to the store for another chicken. Lately, expiration dates, I haven't been buying 2 at a time. We'll see today. Don's brought me up to Guardian Angel. Yeah. Why? So I can go see if the linens are out.
Right, Halloween linens.
He says he'd be happy to sit in the air conditioning while I go inside and look.
That's correct.
I have put new stuff out, and I've got a bunch of flags and a tablecloth in the cart for me. And I've got some other spooky stuff up here in the cart for Michelle. Look at all the ribbon they've sold since yesterday. Wow. He's totally cute, but where would I put him? It's got to be inside, too. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that dark purple Fiesta wear before. I made out well that sugar skull figure thing. I'll just put it in Ruby's frunk until I see Michelle, since I'm not gonna see her next week and I don't want it to get damaged. Well, they had ribeye steaks on sale at Harris Teeter, so that's what we're gonna have for dinner. We've got one more night of lasagna, and Don had been totally happy if I served him that tonight because we love leftovers, but tomorrow night is soon enough, so that's what we'll do. And I got my chicken. I decided I'll need to get one chicken again, even though the dates were okay, because I just end up wanting to come to Harris Teeter about every 4 or 5 days for something else, and then we just pick up the chicken. So,
well, the more important thing, Kitten, is did you get any cream cheese?
I bought 2.
Good girl.
Just to make sure I'm not having to send on to Dollar General for cream cheese.
Yeah, for the 3rd time in a week.
Well, it's only been 2 so far. Let's not make it sound like it's been 3.
Yeah.
Well, you got to help out the woman cooking the meals sometimes.
Yeah, I got no problem. She sent me up there for all good. Cream cheese is good. Don't send me for kale. Don't want any go.
Right, and the Sweet Lauren's cookies that I buy to go with the ice cream were on sale, and they have like a 2-month expiration date, so I bought 2 packs, and then I got a $1 off coupon for the next time I go in there to pick up another pack. So
enjoy.
Yeah, so have cookies for ice cream now, so that's good. Chocolate chip. Johnny said the caramel ones are not that great, and he just likes the chocolate chip, which surprised me because Johnny likes caramel everything. But I said, yeah, I don't care. The sugar, the chocolate chip ones, they actually have the low sugar, the low, less sweet. It's not fake sugar, but it's just not like sickening sweet. So that's good. And then the reason why I started making a video was because I got really frustrated about a car that waited in the fire lane the entire time I was in the store, in the middle of the long stretch of fire lane too, I might add. Not at one end or the other, but right smack in the middle. She was so special. And I'm like, an elderly man did come out and get in the car, and it was a full parking lot, I just text Don and say I'm ready, and then Don pulls back up and picks me up. So he drops me off and he exits the fire lane right away. And we don't do that in front of the door because people are coming and going, and that seems rude. So we do it a little bit away from the door. And then when I'm done, I just text him ready, and within a couple of minutes he comes and he picks me up. So it's like you can leave the fire lane and then come back and get your individual. But just to be clear, when we were talking about Verena and walking in a different spot next time in the other side of town where there was ice cream, the Pints is right there in that building, and this is the Verena side of town, and this is where Aviator is. It would probably be a little hard for us to walk a mile over here. It's a shorter section, and I'm not sure where exactly we would walk that would be lit, but we should definitely try it one time just to see. Well, what do you know? They listened to me. They took down the plastic fencing so you could see the flowers without the plastic. Yay! Yeah. I guess
they needed the fencing somewhere else, but they left all the metal
poles. They left all the poles, though. So somebody will run into them now.
Well, what will happen is the lawnmower guys will just come by and cut all that, and they'll just cut around the poles.
Yeah, let's hope not. Well, we came home to put the groceries in the refrigerator, started the chicken in the Instant Pot, carried in the Guardian Angel stuff, did about 5 other things, petted cats, of course. That was actually first and last. And now we're headed to pick up trash along the road for our walk today. It's going to be nice and toasty out there. Yeah. Jules says it's 90 sitting in the sun on the asphalt, so yeah. Yeah, I kid you not, there must be 50 cans between here and the other side of the bridge, and some trash. Don will park at the environmental park and walk toward me. So 8/10 of a mile in 40 minutes. And my bags are behind Jules, and Don's got his bags. We're gonna go see if the bin at South Park has the lid up on it. We can throw the trash up into the bin. some pretty nasty stuff today. This one naps. He naps solid. He's been asleep in that spot for, well, he got up briefly when we came home in between the first errands and the second errands. But he's just basically been there. Yeah, I know. You're all nappy poo. Hi, big boy. So let me show you the flags. Well, first off, I got this storage container. I have a lot of these in the attic, and you can't buy them anymore, and they stack really super well. So if I see them up there, I buy them. It was $2 something. Happy fall, y'all. This one is thick. It's weighted. It's canvasy. It's super nice. I'm going to send this to a friend that loves squirrels. And she likes to decorate outside. Welcome to the nut house. It's got a squirrel on it. She used to rehabilitate squirrels. We don't talk about squirrels at my house. Might get me in trouble. Scarecrow. Leaf one. The first one I saw when I went in there. Happy fall, y'all. Appropriate for North Carolina. And that one's canvas and double thick and really nice quality also. Some of them were 2 and some of them were 3. This one's one-sided, but still I like it. It says got candy and it's a Halloween frog. I guess I should have had Don hold them up. This one is a turkey flag and it's a big flag. And there's the, whoops, place cloth I got. And I forgot that I had, hopefully I didn't break them, another set of Owl salt and pepper shakers because I really like salt and pepper shakers, and I really like Owls. And I don't see any chips in there, so it's all good. Phew! And there was this, you know, they sell these for $1 at Walmart. If Guardian Angel sells them, they put 50 cents on them. So, and that one's, it's a little different than ones I've had, so it doesn't look like all the rest. Did you guys take over Stripe's spot? Yeah, he went down to get a little afternoon snack from the food bowl. You guys are very cute there. Hi. It's around 5 and it's been trying hard to rain for a couple hours. It's really loud thunder and lightning out there. So I brought these guys in. Finally, we do have a little bit of light rain. Nothing to be impressed with yet though. I'm gonna finish my house and put away a few more bricks. There's always a process of keeping up with what needs to be put away. I'm calling it done except for sticking a couple minifigures on there. The fountain's a little oversized. The tree's a little too spindly. I got super frustrated. But I'm thinking it's good enough for the back side of the building. So I'm calling it.